The Secret of the Silver Key, Chapter 1. The Old Dusty Book. Leo was a young man who lived in a small, quiet town. Leo liked to learn, but he had a problem. He was often afraid. He was afraid of making mistakes. When he tried to speak English, his face turned red. He felt like his tongue was tied in a knot. One Saturday, Leo went to the library. He found a very old blue book. Inside the book, there was a small silver key. There was also a note. The note said, "The key opens the door of dreams. To find the door, you must follow the 3 rules of the mountain." Leo was curious. "The door of dreams?" he whispered. He put the key in his pocket. He decided to find this door. He wanted to dream big. Chapter 2. The First Rule. The Path of Mistakes. Leo walked to the big mountain. At the bottom of the mountain, he saw a tall woman. Her name was Sophia. She was a teacher. "Where are you going?" Sophia asked. "I am looking for the door of dreams," Leo said. Sophia smiled. "To go up, you must follow the first rule, do not fear the stones." Leo started to climb. The path was full of small stones. He tripped and fell. Ouch! He fell again. He felt silly. He wanted to go home. But then he looked at the stones. Every stone had a word on it. One stone said, "Hello." Another said, "Friend." Leo realized something. The stones were not there to stop him. They were there to help him climb higher. He stopped being afraid of falling. He kept walking. Chapter 3. The Second Rule. The River of Time. In the middle of the mountain, Leo found a wide river. The water was fast. There was no bridge. A fisherman sat by the water. "How do I cross?" Leo asked. The fisherman said, "The second rule is 1 step every day." Leo was confused. He wanted to cross now. He tried to jump, but the river was too wide. He sat down and felt sad. Then he saw a pile of large rocks. He moved one rock into the water, then another. It was slow work. It was boring, but every day Leo moved one rock. After many days, he had a path. He walked across the river. He learned that great things take time. You cannot learn everything in 1 minute. You must be patient. Chapter 4. The Third Rule. The Voice of the Heart. Finally, Leo reached the top of the mountain. It was cold and cloudy. He saw a giant golden door. This was it! The door of dreams! He took out his silver key, but there was a guard at the door. The guard was a large gray owl. "To use the key," the owl said, "you must speak the password. But you must speak it in a language that is not your own." Leo felt his face get hot. His heart beat fast. "This is it," he thought. "My English is not perfect. I will make a mistake." He remembered the stones. He remembered the river. Leo looked at the owl. He didn't use a translator. He didn't look at a book. He spoke from his heart. "I am Leo. I am a learner. I am not afraid." Chapter 5. The door opens. The silver key began to glow. Leo put the key into the lock. Click. The golden door opened slowly. Behind the door, there was not a room full of gold. Instead, there was a huge mirror. Leo looked into the mirror. In the mirror, he saw himself. But he looked different. He looked confident. He was talking to people from all over the world. He was laughing. He was sharing stories. Leo realized the secret. The door of dreams was not a place. It was a feeling. It was the power to talk to the world. He wasn't a student anymore. He was a communicator. Leo walked back down the mountain. He still made mistakes, but he smiled when he made them. He knew that every mistake was just a stone on the path to his dream.